G'day guys, it's Jake here. Today I just wanted to give you a quick run through on how to set up your Webex account to do online meetings and also then how to actually set up a meeting inside of Webex. Now Webex does have a free personal plan here, which you can have up to 100 participants in each meeting, meet for as long as you want, and also call in audio. So that means if somebody's audio doesn't work on their computer, they can actually call in from a phone while they're watching your meeting or attending your meeting on the computer or on their phone or however they're attending. They can call in to the number and type in the meeting code and put in a PIN number and then connect into the meeting through their phone. So pretty much all you need to do is go to here for the free plan, which is what we're going to be signing up for. You click sign up. If you want one of these other plans with the other features, so say you wanted to record your meeting and stuff, you can do that with the paid version, but we're just going to be using the free version. So if you go sign up, so basically all you need to do is put your email address into here and hit sign up. Now I've already signed up, so I'm just going to skip ahead into my login screen. I'm sure you can handle signing up to an account yourself. So basically once you've signed up, this will be your homepage. From your homepage, you can just start a meeting and invite people in, or you can create meetings and schedule them. So what we're going to run through is actually scheduling a meeting and inviting people in. So if you hit the meetings tab here, and you can see your meetings, which I've got none. So to schedule a new meeting, just want to hit this schedule button up here and then give the meeting a name. So Jake's test meeting for video. Give the meeting a password. We're just going to leave it there. And then make sure your time zone is right, because otherwise it's going to look strange. In this field, you select what time you want the meeting for. So let's say our meeting's going to be at 8:30 p.m. and you can select the duration that it goes for too. So we'll just say half an hour. Hit done, and then you can hit schedule to schedule it. But if you do that, we haven't actually invited anyone to it. So what you can do in this attendees field is invite someone just by typing in their email. And then when you hit schedule, it's going to send out a calendar invite to the other people with this information here. So it'll have the meeting link, the meeting number, and the password, and how to actually join the meeting. So if I log into the email account that got this email sent to it, so if I log into the email account that was just invited to this meeting, so you'll see here that the email has been received and it says that you're invited to this meeting and do you want to accept? So I'm going to say yes, I do want to accept that meeting. And now it's actually going to appear in my calendar. As you can see inside of the calendar here, it's got the link and the information. So if we click that link, that would take us to the meeting. I'm not going to do that on this one because I'm going to jump in on the video here. So if I go to start the meeting, this will now fire up a Webex session. And say yes. So these little buttons here will allow you to either mute or capture the video. My video is actually disabled on this one because I don't have a webcam attached. But if I jump into the meeting on my phone, you should now see, here's my other account, Billy. So Billy's actually joined in. Billy's actually joined into the meeting. He's joined into the meeting off my phone. Now he's actually me, so if I enable the video, so now I've enabled the video, you can actually see the video inside of the screen as part of the meeting. Now what I can do too as the meeting presenter is I can actually mute and unmute Billy. So if I
unmute Billy like that,
you'll
hear a fair bit of echo because it's obviously me talking on my phone right in front of you.
So if I just mute myself again, now I've muted. So that's one of the good things about Webex meetings is that you can actually mute the participants. Just stop my video. So yeah, that's one of the good things. Right here, you can mute them. You can also chat to them as well down here. But yeah, so that's basically how you sign up and create a new meeting inside of Webex. You can add more, obviously up to 100 participants for free. And another thing that I like about it is it's owned by Cisco, which is a reasonably reputable company, where you look at products like Zoom, and there's a number of other little security issues with there, which I might chuck a link into an article down below so you can all read that for yourselves. But yeah, they're not quite designed with security first in mind. While it is a pretty product, I'd prefer things to be a little bit more secure than insecure. So anyway, that's it. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you want to see more, or if you're watching it somewhere that's not on YouTube, you won't be able to subscribe. Anyway, see you next time.